Dramani Mahama. She's going to perform it. Her name is Isruma. Let's welcome Isruma, little Isruma.
She should come this way. She should come this way.
Good evening. My name is Shoma Madina Fwe. Mama Yanto Abama Lawyer Sosu as Madina MP. Osande Ejan Kweja Ebaho. Vote for John Mahama.
Ladies and gentlemen, give me a hand. Let me hear you. We have the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor John Mahama Ajima. DJ, let's welcome the next Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. DJ, give me music. Give me music. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Are you ready? Are you ready for victory? Are you ready? DJ, let's welcome the next Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor John Mahama Ajima. Here comes the professor, the woman of integrity, the mother for all, a woman of valor, a woman of substance. Whoa!
Yes, we choose President John Mahama as the next president of the Republic of Ghana to come and reset Ghana and build the Ghana that we all want.
Thank you so much for joining us as well. Thanks for speaking to us. So there you heard Dr. Peter Otokunobuama also speaking to us specifically on the plans the NDC has for the agric sector as well. But let me just run you through the program lineup. Yes, there are a number of the parliamentary candidates that will be speaking to the crowd pretty shortly. Earlier, as I mentioned, we heard from Honorable Xavier Sosu. He addressed the crowd. We'll also be taking some brief remarks by the MP for Adenta, Honorable Ramadan, pretty shortly. There will be a speech from Honorable Comfort, though the member of Parliament for Ada constituency. Then we'll pick a brief remark from John Dumelo, who is contesting on the ticket of the NDC at the Ayaso West Wagon constituency. Then you also have brief remarks from Honorable Jaja from Ayawaso North. Then there will also be a music performance by Kwesi Swat. We'll also take some brief remarks by Dr. Zaneto Rollins. And then there will be a brief remark by Honorable Sam Nacee George of Ningo Pram constituency. There will also be some brief remarks by Eli Klim Akurugu, PC for Domi Kwabenya. It's another area that you need to pay critical attention to. But the man joining me for our conversation is you can say that. You can say that. Yeah, is the parliamentary candidate for Sunyani East, Honorable Said Mubarak. Said, thank you so much for joining us. How are you?
I'm good, my brother.
How is Sunyani East?
Oh, by the grace of God, Sunyani is
How ready is Sunyani East ahead of the elections on Saturday?
Thank you so much, my brother. Sunyani East has now turned to green by the grace of God. by the grace of God, Sunyani East has turned to green. The last rally that we had in Sunyani turned to green. Sunyani turned to green. But I hope, God willing, 7th December, whatever their commitment, the social contract I have with people of Sunyani, I know they are going to translate it to vote for us. What I saw is that just 2nd December, the media, the security, the way that they voted, I could see that Sunyani has turned to green. The turnout was 98%. Out of that, I know and believe that, God willing, inshallah, by 10 o'clock, 7th December, Sunyani will turn to NDC. Because of the message that I had with them, it really resonated with the people of Sunyani. You know, for the past 28 years, we've not had this seat. But any social intervention that we are all benefit from it is NDC, which brought it up. You know, the first electricity that we had in Sunyani was brought by NDC. The regional hospital that we are having currently was built by NDC. The road network that we had in Sunyani was built by NDC. The landmark building, which is known as the Cocoa Board, was built by NDC. Anything that we are all benefiting on or benefiting from in Sunyani are all built by NDC. And our people had the opportunity for the past 28 years, nothing of it that they can boast of. So for now, with the message that I gave to the people of Sunyani, all what they are calling for is change. Sunyani is calling for change because we need development. For nothing at all, our certain MP was asked that we need a modernized sports stadium. What he said is that they are going to modernize, or they are going to do some renovation at the sports stadium or the coronation park that we have in Sunyani. My brother, later a year on, we asked them, instead the contractor and the workers are all killed by the COVID-19. This is too ridiculous. I'm praying that, God willing, when we win this election, we make sure that we have a modernized sports stadium in Sunyani, which I've discussed with our incoming president, John Mahama, and he has promised me, Said Mubarak, if we are able to win this seat for NDC, anything that you ask for the good people of Sunyani, I'll let them get it, because I know you are hardworking, you are ready to help your people. And honestly, to be honest with you, the chiefs, the team mothers, anybody, the drivers, the students, we those on the street, everybody's calling for change. And I know come 7th December, you will see that change, because the people of Sunyani are tired. They are fed up with the lies. They are fed up. They are really fed up with lies. And inshallah, I know and hope and believe that 7th December, Sunyani is going to turn to green. This Christmas is going to be for Sunyani, but the Sunyani people are ready for change. Yes.
Honorable, thank you. Because you will have to speak on the stage, we have to end it here.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Inshallah, next time, we'll get the victory that we all want.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, everybody. Sunyani people, I love you all.
Thank you. All right, so there you heard the parliamentary candidate for Sunyani is Said Mubarak, also speaking to us here on Wezo TV. There is one man who has been doing business with the National Democratic Congress for a very long time now. He has been composing the official campaign songs for the party all these years as well. No other person than the name Nacee. The face is known, the name is known, the voice is known as well. Thank you so much. Do you also want change?
Of course.
You want change?
Of course.
You want change?
Of course.
For sure. Thank you so much for joining us. How are you doing?
I'm very good.
When you go here, you observe the numbers. What went through your mind?
Honestly, you can see the whole Ghana is ready for change. Before we were able to even get here, how we struggled before getting here, it shows that people are really ready for a change.
So you mean that when you were coming, there was enough traffic on the road?
There's a lot of traffic on the road.
So the people are not even here, but outside.
People are even they are out walking towards this place.
Let's talk about you and the relationship you have with the NDC. Why do you decide to compose songs for the NDC?
My love for President Mahama is up here, and that drew me closer to NDC. At the beginning, I wasn't, because Ghana, if you're a musician and you decide to compose songs for political parties, you are kind of sidelined. But I took all the risk because I love President Mahama so much, and then the policies of NDC. So I decided to keep on composing songs for NDC and making sure that at least I can sell the name through my song composition. Yeah.
Now you listen to the lyrics, the words in your songs, powerful messages. Sometimes some of us listen and we say, I mean, this is the song, this is the word that resonates with even the ordinary Ghanaian. What really inspires you to put such lyrics together?
If you're a musician and you are composing a song for a political party, like the party has a lot to talk about, but you need to do your research well, and then so that you can summarize everything that they've said in just a little, like 3 minutes, or let's say 2 minutes, to at least to sell the message well. So mostly you need to have lyrics that will connect to the people. That's it.
Okay, very well. We will
in the opponent is talking about.
Are you performing today?
I'm performing.
So what should we be expecting from you?
Anything that you can think about.
Yeah.
Everything that you can think about.
Before you go, I want you to look into that camera and speak to your fans and the teaming supporters of the NDC that are gathered here. Message of hope.
All that I will tell you is that Saturday is a day that is the change will come. So go out there in your numbers and then vote for a change. Vote for a change. Don't change your mind. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. Go and vote for a change. Vote for President Mahama and all the NDC MPs. God bless you.
I'm grateful. Thank you so much, Nacee. Enjoy the program as well. I'll dance to your tunes when it comes as well. Thank you so much. So there you heard Nacee, a musician also speaking to us, and officially he composes the songs for the National Democratic Congress, and there you heard him. The fictional songs that you do here every now and then is proudly composed by Nacee, the artist. And so we will engage some other people who are here as well. But if you are just tuning in, you are live on Wezo TV, and this is the special coverage of the ongoing rally of the National Democratic Congress at the Suraj Park here in Medina. And of course, I will speak to one other youth activist of the NEC, and he's going to tell us much more about what the NEC intends to do for the teaming youth. Fatama, thank you so much for joining us. How are you doing?
I'm good, I'm doing well.
You look relatively calm, but looking at the charged atmosphere, what is going through your mind?
Well, I'm excited about the sort of euphoria we have here. I'm excited about the number of people that have showed up to support our candidate, His Excellency John Mahama. I'm very optimistic that if we have such a turnout at the polling stations come 7th December, that we should surely secure victory come this election.
Very well. Now, you and I engaged some time back as well, but I'm going to pose this question to you. You take a look at the manifesto of the NDC. What are those messages? What are those policy proposals captured in there that resonates solely with your age group, your bracket, the youth?
So before I go into the policies, I want to go into the current state of affairs. So for me as a young person in this country, I am taking this election very personally. It's an election that I'm going to be vigilant on. It's an election that I'm going to show up and ensure that my ballot is protected. I'm going to ensure that the NPP cannot use any machinations to change figures. You understand what I mean? I do not trust the NPP, so I cannot have them be in power for another 4 years. It is not possible. It is never possible. We cannot trust the government that implemented e-levy, a government that puts an MP in an ambulance, brought him to Parliament to pass the e-levy bill, and the same person who was Vice President now comes to us and tells us that, you know what, when I come into government, I am going to scrap off the e-levy. I think that the MPP thinks that Ghanaians or young people, we cannot reason, and that is something I dislike. I do not like it when people think that they can take us for granted. I certainly do not like that. Beyond that, when you look at even the state of unemployment in this country, Alaji Baumia cannot come and sit on TV and say there will be jobs and jobs and jobs when unemployment is at 2.2 million. It has risen from 8.7% to 14.7%. You understand? So this is a government that does not care about this youth. This is a government that does not protect the interests of this youth. And this is a government that is self-seeking. It does not think about Ghanaians. So we definitely cannot give them another 4 years to put us back into more mess and to, destroy this country completely. Now, in terms of the policies, what I can tell you is that there are so many exciting policies in the Reset Ghana Manifesto for young people. So, for instance, when it comes to employment, we have the Ejumera policy, which seeks to set up 10,000 youth businesses every year. On top of that, we know that there is a problem when it comes to access to finance for young people. So what the NDC is going to do is that it is setting up a youth entrepreneurship institution, and it's going to give them a seed capital of 750 million to be able to fund youth businesses. And then there's also, of course, the exciting one, the 1 million coders, which John Mahama even, did something.
I'm going to ask you to hold on a second. Let's go upstage, take that quick performance, and then we'll come back and wind up. So stay with us. Let's go and take that performance quickly. We'll be right back. Stay with us.
Are you
God will bless you. Eyezu. Eyeza. Eyezu. Eyeza. Eyezuza. Emefa. God bless you. Bon, say much Jesus.
First, we have work to do. We are.
NDC is coming back indeed. Victory! 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 Shall we have these MPs on stage? The MP for Adantan, can we have him? MP for Ada, MP for Ayawaso West Wagon, and MP for Ayawaso North. Can we have them here, please? Hello! Eyezu! Eyezu! We are bringing in a woman who is so strong from the grassroots to the top. Shall we give it up for Honorable Comfort Doyle, MP for that? Give it up for her. We are Mizzou. We are Mizza. We are Mizzou. We are Mizzou. Ayezu. Oh, women, let me see your hands. Let me see your handkerchief. Let's start rejoicing. We are going to have the next vice president as a woman of substance, not a woman of makeups. Ayezu, Ayezu, a woman who is going to take care of her children, and a woman who is going to support the President of Republic of Ghana, John Mahama. Ayezu, Ayezu. Tell the MPP they should start writing their handing over notes, because all we need is a man and a woman in Plaster House for now. Ayezu, the youth, are you here? The youth, are you here? Your mother is coming, and she's going to make sure all the youth are well catered for. Ayezu, Ayezu, Uyemizu. Are you ready for the 24-hour economy? All the technical students, the government is going to start with you, because you have learned the trade and there is no support. You are going to have the support that is needed so that you can establish yourself and employ others. Ayezu, Ayezu, youth in agriculture. Are you ready? Ada is ready. Are you also ready? We are going to make sure we provide all that you need, so that you take good care of the farming and then produce for Ghana to feed itself and export the rest. Are you ready? Are you ready for the victory? Are you ready for Saturday? Saturday is going to be massive. Don't go there alone. Call a friend to call a friend. and make sure you protect the ballot at where you are. Uye mizu. Ye mamio dende. Ye mamio dende. Ye mamio dende. Ye mamio dende. Eyezu. Adali nyanga watwe buelo. Gabrande nyanga watwe buelo. Victory ne mamo wohe kawomi. Ni papa hilama. Eyezu. Noko kra neko pe mistake. Mota victory he. Akomla moke skirt and blouse. Ayeni papa ikama. Kajenungo. Shao sudoku. Sege. Ada. Eyezu. Wanga 95% la. Wanga 95% la. Awe. Esuo. Blekucha. Enam. Manywa. Adubani Pato. John Mahama. Wamana Jomi Pako. Ni ne sawo. Ne akawo. Bene pene. Kuni yemi nebwa. Wablo ine pue. Wani kra ekpachaka. Amabadra kra. Maune jowo kra. This election is not about a slave queen. It's about a mother who is going to be in the kitchen and take good care of her children. Thank you.
Chobai! Uyamiza! Inshallah, Nyamaya Duma, 7th December, Ghana is going to turn to green. Bunu Ahafu, Bunu East, and Bunu region is going to turn green. Sunyani being the regional capital for Bunu Ahafu region, and Bunu East was cut from Sunyani or Bunu, and Ahafu was cut from Bunu. Now if you go to Techiman, they have metropolitan. Sunyani being the mother region for all this region. We were still municipality only just yesterday when I spoke about it for the 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks, yesterday, Nana Akufo-Addo decided to give us metropolitans. We know and believe that God, inshallah, when John Mahama, 7th December, or Minister President, Sunyani being the regional capital, Yapese, Yebenya modernized sports stadium, Yebenya modernized market, Sekedetia, Kotokuraba, inshallah, Yebenya Sunyani being the regional capital. Eyazu, J.J. Rollins as the regional hospital Adamaye. And then, Uko Sunyani, Ama Pentidano, Achanin, teaching hospital. We don't have anything there. You need to be a regional hospital. If the mammogram, I did a mamma, cancer bamundu fumukura bini honum. He knew honum. Yes, sir. Say, a few way. Sunyani, for the past 28 years, Yatua Bastard MPP. They can't boast of anything in Sunyani. Yabompa is inshallah. 7th December, Sunyani East, Sunyani West, and all the constituencies in the Bunu region. We are going to win all these seats. Near 12 over 12 with my able regional executives. constituency executives with our national chairman, Chairman Asiadu Katia from the Bunu region. Inshallah, Bunu region is going to turn to green. And Sunyani East, for the first time, the last 28 years, bad one of hope.
Are you ready for the next president of the Republic of Ghana? Are you ready? Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Show me your hand. Whoa! 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 His Excellency John Mahama, the next president of the Republic of Ghana, come December 7th, we are winning with a one-third victory. Do you know something? Ladies and gentlemen, do you know something? I tell you, and I can tell you confidently, I feel it in my bones. I feel you in my system. On the 7th of December, whether they like it or not, whether they agree or not, we are going to have a new president in the person of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Chobai, Where Mizuzu. I'll bring you. Today, before His Excellency President Mahama arrived here, the rain was threatening. The rain was threatening, but we asked God, if the Almighty God would give the NDC the next victory, we pleaded with God to hold on with the rain. And there we are. God has listened to our prayers. On the 7th of December, we shall go out, we shall cast our votes, we shall protect the ballots. Nobody would intimidate us, nobody can control us, nobody can fool us. We are ready for a change of government. John Mahama will be the next president. Of the Republic of Ghana. Chobai, John Mahama, 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 Oseye. John Mahama, yeah. John Mahama, Mama Shobi Akokomoti, Adagrafatu, Gonti, Kote, Saturday, Oba vote, John Mahama, Zoo, Mafema Feneke, Bao vote, MP Akatamaso, Za, John Mahama, MP, John Mahama, MP, there is one reason why we must not vote for the MPP, for Dr. Bawumia. It is because they have lied to us. I am trying to tell you some of the lies, and you will respond. Alakpatao. Nana Bawumia said, I shall protect the public purse. Is it true or false? So what do you say? I already have my own money. True or false? They say Yatisikaso and so I come here. True or false? He said, try me and see. Bawumia said, try me and see. What do we say? He said, I can develop Ghana without borrowing. borrowing. Today we have borrowed and borrowed and borrowed. How do we call them? He said, I will arrest the dollar. Today, the dollar has run away. What do we say? So when you go to the ballot box, remember that these people, they are alakato, they are liars, they don't tell the truth. I'm balling for the German. What working for Shikaya? What for Shikaya? John Mahama. You know. So, boy, are you ready for the handsome man? Are you ready for the handsome man? Let's welcome John Dumelo to the stage. Joe boy. To come and vote for the NDC. Let us send the elephant back into the bush. Choboy, Ayawasu West is coming under NDC on the 7th of December. Dominic Wabenya is coming under NDC on the 7th of December. Greater Accra, we are sweeping it across. Choboy, when they bring the money, take it. When they bring the rice, take it. When they bring the salt, take it. When they bring everything, take it and vote against them. Because 7th December, we are resetting Ghana to the right direction. Thank you so much. I love you and I die for you.
We have another woman. I see her in Parliament already. Let's welcome Elifim Aklugu, our principal Dominic Wabenya.
Ghana for ya dear. For 8 painful years, Yetumi I enjoy a mom born away. It's an image in our mamu certificate. Sir, ya dear, for 8 painful years. And men also, a Jumana ya bebre men also. 7th December, Saupia, Fraudu Wamensha Bibia, Shachiniana, Chinian, Udimanu Zua, now they are all the parliamentary candidates. Choboy. Mata mikukeso lema mubamuso kukudu mebeti fuska jama muna gore muku aki onde kunyina tamuna yake 7th December nkute kujifa koruwana kutuna His Excellency John Mahama sakujefa kuria kubaye all the parliamentary candidates across the entire country. Choboy imaduma ya baba jeba fara ya tuma ya mome ya tutuma sunga 7th December sagala sapaya ya yusira yu paka yu yinga yu mabia
thank you
John Mahama let the candidate bazawabi choboy lavinya fawo apanami mi jagba mi wodo Hayado 7th December Nabi Dofima Midoku Hahiaji Mikono His Excellency John Mahama Nani Adele parliamentary candidate Okata Apanami Choboy Dobi Kwabeja Oseye. Give me a wave hand. Dobi Kwabeja, we are taking over. We are taking over.
Thank you so much. We have an amazing man in the house. The Jata family, where are you? Jata family, where are you? Let me see your hand. Shall we welcome Honorable Sam Jatajodu on the stage?
The victory of John Mahama and Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman is starting on Saturday, and we head for the Flagstaff House on Saturday. Let us tell the NPP that the so-called claims on digitalization, there is only one king of digitalization in Ghana. His name is John Dramani Mahama. When the fundamentals of your digitalization are weak, the e-gates will not open for you. Let us ask Bawumia, Jack, where are you? Like his Ghana Post GPS. On Saturday, as Ghanaians go to the poll, we vote for one reason: the reset of Ghana. A vote for John Mahama is a vote to protect our culture, to protect our family values. A vote for Bawumia and Napo is a vote for homosexuality, is a vote for comprehensive sexuality education. And Ghanaians say no to Trumu Trumu, no to Trumu Trumu, no to Trumu Trumu. We need John Dramani Mahama to come and sign the bill into law. Ayazu, if you love the children of Ghana, if you love our family values, if you love your faith as a Christian, if you love your faith as a Muslim, Napo must account for the money he took from UNESCO to introduce comprehensive sexuality education. Bawumia should tell us why he has not taken a stand against Akufo-Addo on the LGBTQ matter. On Saturday, we will vote for against them and vote to make sure that we end corruption.
Indeed, it's a no-no for Bawumia. Thank you so much. It's a no-no for Bawumia.
Thank you. Are you ready for change? Are you ready to end the corruption? Are you ready to end the suffering? Are you ready to reset Ghana? The youth of Ghana, are you here? Are you charged for victory? Are you afraid of everybody? Let's welcome the army and the general of the Green Army, General himself, George Mahama. The Green Army.
So, boy. Do we have the youth here? Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. The nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite to oppose and make her great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building a motherland. Again, we are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building a motherland. So, baby.
Hey, Ayazu. Oyemizu, Oyemeza, Abadedie Mahama Fa. And I must say that Abadedie Mahama Fa. We have only two messages for Akufo-Addo and the Electoral Commission. Come Saturday, the young people of this country will go to the polls and vote. We will be voting for change. We expect every electoral officer who is given the opportunity to go and work to do his job. To Nana Akufo-Addo, our message to you is simple. President Mahama handed over to you a peaceful nation. We are challenging you and we are daring you that anything you do otherwise than handing over to Nana will not result well. Ghanaian youth, it is our time to stand up and fight for what is right. It is our time to go out there and defend the ballot. Every one of us, our fortunes and our destinies are being gambled by this criminal organization we call a government. Come 7th December, come Saturday, you and I have the opportunity to redeem Ghana again. Anytime Ghana has been at a crossroads, it is young people like you that have stood up to defend and uphold the image of Ghana. Go out there and vote. And as your commander, I assure you that the Green Army of the NDC will do everything possible to protect your vote. Nobody is more Ghanaian than anybody. Saturday, vote John Mahama and vote for your member of parliament. Let's bring about the change we desire. Let's build the Ghana you and I want. Thank you and God be with you.
Thank you, the commander of the Green Army.
Thank you
so much. Commander Papu, thank you. Hey, Yazoo, are the women here? Women of Ghana, are you here? Let me see your hands. Give me a wave. Give me a wave. Shall we welcome the National Women's Organizer of the NDC, Dr. Mrs. Hannah Louisa Bisiu Kote. Choboy, Heza, Muya Meza, John and Penny from a Pamuchow, Medinidie, Ma Oman Penny, John Mahama, and then Hukani, and then Abedi Achre, Professor Nana Jen Opokuajiman, Ghana Mamu Hall, Ghana Mamu Hall, Asemba Kopena Yawoka. I cannot feel a Memen Dana Ghana Ma, Yafa Hudiano Edruho, Ghana Ma, any Ghana Mabunu, Yawa and near Mapa or Mampanini John, Dramani Mahama or De Braye, Ebony and Ma Bankeno, Yameka Tramone say, Yachi, Money in Akasa, Nemaya Yin saying, and Maya Nim. Amaya nyimye yedie, amaya nyimye punchio, amaya nyimye kanko, amaya nyimye wantu atwaso yedie, amaya nyimye masuku, amaya nyimye kunumonyuma, amaya nyimye jatre, amaya nyimye fahudie, amaya awobekaye December 7th, ama bag ben yade kwa wo a voters ID card ani bag yade kwa wo no emma labor ward ben yako ayeye polling centers baby a baby atu aba baby a wo batu aba baby a wo kunu tu aba aho ye labor ward midwives nene hemfo won the electoral commissioners and my drew one and Papa no de Bama so yɛn ballot papers ne mpa yɛde bɛma yɛada soɔ ɛma eduru mmerɛ sɛ wɔ sɛ yɛnkyem na yɛnwo yɛn nkonimdie na ɛhene fa ne yɛbɛsom a yɛbɛkyɛm ɛyɛ kyinyɛ wo a wɔkyinyɛ biama ɔkyinyɛ so ɛyɛ kyinyɛ no ɛhɔ a ne yɛbɛsom na da bɛ yɛbɛpia yɛde yɛkɔ yɛde ka inkinim ne yɛde si kyinya ne nkyɛn a na yɛwo yɛ nkonimdie na yɛwo yɛ yiedie ne yɛwo yɛ ahotɔ ne yɛwo yɛ fa ahodie na mɛntɔ ɔmboa
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Balakatidibe, Shekatidi. Ezu, at this moment, I have the honor to invite my colleague member of Parliament, a man I call Terminator 1, the smooth operator, the COVID operator. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the Honorable Samuel Okujeto Ablako?
Eyezu, Eyeza, Eyezuza, Eyezuzazu, MFA, Ehejo. The people of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has won Saturday's December 7, 2024 elections by the grace of God. No man born of a woman can take the people's victory away from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Now Ghanaians have seen the difference. They claim they are pursuing bold solutions. The people pursuing bold solutions are commissioning e-gates. Our nation builder, he builds an iconic airport which wins international awards. So who is really pursuing bold solutions? No other person than His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. They also claim that they are the party of possibilities. Yeah, they are right. Bizarre possibilities. Who will have thought that you can dig a hole for 339 million Ghana cedis? Who will have thought that you can pay $2.5 million for Sputnik V vaccines manufactured in Russia to sheikhs, shonky sheikhs from Dubai? Who will have thought that you can pay $12 million for Palugu Dam that doesn't exist? Bizarre possibilities. Who will have thought that the DRIP project, which should not have cost us more than $76 million, they are paying from our taxes over $178 million. Yes, bizarre possibilities. Who will have thought that there will be a functioning presidential jet and President Akufo-Addo will charter 20,000 euros an hour jet, squander our resources? Who will have thought that you can demolish dozens of national assets, from the bungalows of judges, the Judicial Training Institute, the Shraj bungalows, passport head office, scholarship secretariat, the Malian ambassador's residence, just to dig a hole? Yes, they are indeed the party of bizarre possibilities. We are the party of transformation, the party of development, the party that brings progress, the party that cares for the people. That is who we are, and that is who John Dramani Mahama is. Ladies and gentlemen, this election is about accountability. Akufo-Addo is doing everything to impose his puppet and his poodle in Bawumia so that he will escape accountability. But he lies bad. Operation Recover All Loot is coming for them. They will pay for the state capture. They will pay for the dissipation of our resources. They will pay for the corruption. Everybody will pull out their monies from under their beds. The Cecilia Dapa syndrome is coming to an end. They will account for their crimes, their atrocities against the Ghanaian people. Operation Recover All Loot is going to happen. President Akufo-Addo will not get insurance. He will not get protection from imposing his poodle and his puppet on us. Can you imagine when President Akufo-Addo said he was going to protect the public purse? We didn't know that we will spend all our time protecting the public purse from him. Can you imagine that? When Bawumia said that the era of single sourcing and inflated contracts is coming to an end, we didn't know that what he actually meant is that when it is single sourcing of his brother's company, single source circumstances. That one, he doesn't see it. That one, he doesn't criticize it. That one, he doesn't talk about it. That one, he doesn't stop it. But their time is up. The Ghanaian people have made up their mind. Operation Recover All Loot is coming. President John Dramani Mahama is going to recover the over $5 billion that they have stolen from the Ghanaian people. Let us be vigilant. God bless you all.
Thank you, the investigator of our time. Thank you so much, Honorable. Are you ready? Mahama Bakwo, Ijuma Bebe. Are you ready? Ghana, are you ready for Saturday? That's going to be freedom. Mahama Bakwo, Ijuma Bebe. We are going to dance. It's our brother Jack Alolomi here. Let's give it up for him. God will make a way indeed on Saturday.
One ajitum say Mahama omajiye. One ajitum say Mahama omajiye. Him akinu him. Chobai. Okay, me we na tie. Oh, him is John Dramani Mahama. Oh my God, oh my God, I need also anyone. Maybe I agree, I need also anyone. Sandaji, Peja. John Mahama, Oh my God, Ghana Sibro, Ghana Frawo, Nacee. Oh my Ghana see, you need a swan. Ghana Frawo, DJ, hold on. Me transnational, me passe ye bibi. Ghana mo ha. NDC for mo ha. Ye chikano. Mama. Dabi mante one. Me see mama. Hey, we are breaking the edge, stopping the edge with 24 hours. Look, those watching on TV, let me assure you, no amount of intimidation, no amount of vote buying will prevent the NDC from winning the next election. Inshallah, His Excellency John Mahama is the next president of the Republic of Ghana, whether they like it, whether they want it, he will be the president of the Republic of Ghana by the grace of the Almighty Allah.
Victory!
Hey! At this level, let me welcome the indefatigable, hardworking, courageous, handsome national organizer, Joseph Yamin. Ayazuzu Ejo Yadamuni na mwase awo adwumapa yaye awo afitue afi abatuo emu obia abo adwuma aka 2 days and na mienu akai aye de ade kwa kwaje nkunimdie no aba ne ehia ane akokudro ne ehia ane vigilance si ebegina ne yahwe se obi enwia abanum abeka asamba ko chiraw se ya tete nsembebre se o mo tamprinte ballot papers where the easiest thing that obi abetimi aye but the difficult thing is say what the ballot box echo change the original ballot box, and that is where we want each and every one of you to be at the polling station. So to abani we are obia show so kofie. Let's dedicate that day for His Excellency John Mahama and the NDC. Mamenfa assembly ama a police for Sayaya dia young konkwaya basa. No mom, if they say Obama MP before I respect the rule of law, we are ready to face whoever. The will of the people. So we are assuring you, and we are ready to make sure that all their plans will fail.
Minimsa, we will be laughing on the 8th of December. John Mahama will be preparing to be sworn in on the 7th of January 2025.
When I invite our Zogos coordinator, Alaji Kuri Yanga. Chobai. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Malik yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Amin. Iyayena maza da mata. Chobai. Iyayena maza da mata. On the 7th December, inshallah, muna da sabon president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, shi ne sabon president on the 7th December. Amma wannan bai faruwa, she kowa ya tashi yayi aiki. Na ji ana shiga zakwanne mu, ana raba mu da kudi. Ku yi hankuri, ku karbi kudi ku ci. Ku tuna wahalar da muka suka samu shekara 8 kenan. Komi mu ya bata. Ku yi hankuri. John Dramani Mahama na zuwa on the 7th December zo gyara mana gari mu. Kowa ya tashi aiki. Asuba 7th December ayi nafila roki Allah. Allah ya bashi nasara. Ka ba John Dramani zu ka kare sa su ka bashi za. Magana na don gudu. Na gode muku. Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Thank you.
Ayasu Choboy Mama Oseye. Let me see yourself. Mama Oseye. Choboy Mama yeah. John Mahama yeah. Choboy Ayasu, no PNC for Electoral Commission MPP Yamafim. Amusama His Excellency John Mahama, the NDC policy Adibano and Ghana. So we invite the PNC leadership. Namuni Ambekasa, Honorable Mohammed, also Temo Chabai, PNC for they are supporting the NDC. They are voting boom. And the Vice Excellency John Mahama.
If you love Ghana and you know, clap your hands. If you love Ghana and you know, clap your hands. If you love Ghana and you really love Ghana, clap your hands. Choboy. 2024. Ghana has decided for John Dramani Mahama as President of the Republic of Ghana. Since our disqualification from contesting the 2024 elections, it took only one brave and could tell the truth that Bernard Mona and the PNC are more worthy than some of the people on the ballot, and John Dramani Mahama is the only person that could say that. Since the National Executive Committee's declaration that the PNC should join John Mahama for president. We have gone about 11 regions, and what we see is that Ghana has decided and that change has come to Ghana. It is just a day from today that we'll be casting our ballot. And we of the PNC urges every Ghanaian who is desirous of getting employment for the young ones in our society to see the 24-hour economic proposal by John Mahama as a veritable program that will secure jobs for the millions of Ghanaian youths. We have no doubt that the government of Nana Akufo-Addo has dirtied every institution, and we need to sweep away the dirt by bringing John Mahama to sweep them away. We are confident of the coming victory, and that is why we have gone the length and breadth of this country to campaign for John Mahama. As we take back seat and allow you to go back home, be assured that on Saturday you are not only voting, but you are voting and staying so that your ballot will be counted, so that the victory that we are all craving for will come to Ghana. Finally, let the world know that nothing will be done to prevent the coming into force of John Mahama as the next president of the Republic of Ghana. God bless you. God bless our humble Ghana, and let the nation be straight and strong. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Change is coming. Are you ready for change? Saturday is a day of freedom. Change is coming. We're going to have a song by our brother Kwasi Swat. Let's give it out for him. Ezu.
Saturday was from Mama today. Mempe bad energy. No bad energy. Message, yempe bad energy. Carry your wahala go. One come on to message then. Yempe bad energy. No bad energy. Message, yempe bad energy. Carry your wahala go. What's it? Oh, they want no fire. Whoa. Oh, when you so, I was so from the it's a mouth to me, or my move dead. Ya bravo, no back, no my pabe. If you have no yama ya pabe, Papa was the council, he made it now. Of a chance, now I am I'm more funny as you go to it. You will be down by a sick cocoa. One of the Casamu, I shall from in my move for one I get ready. Dollar Babo, City Timito, the draw wire then, Gabba Timito. 24 pounds or so, I will leave up. The quiet areas who boy was getting into it. What's it? And then Sammy Gyamfi, whoa, see. Hey, who knew in yeah. And no, don't who knew me too. Crazy. Hey, who knew in Cut out the share, and you grow. Oh, brother, to you, but who said by it? Would you be na mo ni mabusuafo ebe ye kwan no nya wo se ye ka na enye ma ye kan ya wo se nkwada no usuade enti wuro efri se suku dan no abubu tie ye belly fool where they kill you so corruption and dirty and my woman be saying whoa you know what say we are so for yakuwa you can't lean and now want you for but since the day you turn honorable you soon will buy other yes a devil I don't know who you now me too I who you lead a share my mama yeah the thing is yo yeah that will come yeah but you go drive and TV yeah we school to yeah you man yo and number sabasa ABC and you inasu Santini and Tindy wo Mampe Bibi ya Embrace yeah doctor Mama today slow down it's not
Thank you so much. Baumia de Nano for fire one pa, but Saturday your best system. Ezu! Hello! Hello! Do we have our sister Teresa Winnie here? Are you ready for Teresa? Obana! Give it out to her. Let me see your head. 1, 2. Cho boy. Subway way. Ain't me to Osruna say. Are you ready? Cho boy. Hey Yesu. Are you ready for power? Show your hands. Hey Yesu. We are ready to reset the nation. We will not toy with the destiny of our nation any longer. Hey Yesu. Are you ready to sweep voters to the polling stations? Are you ready to sacrifice your time? It is going to be worth it. The child that needs a pad is pleading with you. The market women are pleading with you. Those whose banks have collapsed are pleading with you. Let's vote for change. Okay, good enough. We are taking the elephant to the bush. Thank you, I love you. Thank you, and the people of Okankwe North are grateful. Thank you. Are the people of Adantan here? Adantan to the world. Adantan, let me see. Adantan, you have the finest MP. Let's welcome our member of parliament who is still maintained.
Boy, Eyezu, can you see victory? Can you smell victory? Inshallah, on Saturday, we are going to change. Choboy, Inyamime, Greater Accra about determined election. Greater Accra about determined election. Kaja 92, every party need win or Greater Accra and win or general elections. She in the last election 2020 will win Greater Accra. She won now presidency because we won by a small margin. Makpanya Fai, Afine, Nyaha, Niwaha, MPP, a gap of 250,000-300,000 Greater Accra. If we can deliver more than 53% in Greater Accra, it is a done deal. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is coming back as president. Choboy, on Saturday, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will be the president-elect. However, John Dramani Mahama, he needs a comfortable working majority in Parliament. If you vote for Mahama Zoo, then you vote for the PC. John Mahama, PC. John Mahama, PC. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Adantan is not going anywhere. We are taking it again.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ghana, are you ready to move forward with a good change? At this juncture, I have the honor to invite one of the most intelligent young men the NDC has produced, a man of intelligence, an astute gentleman, a brainy guy, a sharp communicator, the National Communications Officer of the great NDC, the Honorable Sammy Gyamfi. Choboy, Eyezu, Abusiafo anaya nijeda, anaya nijeda, because aka enam yenupa, just 2 days. Me say how many days? Just 2 days. Nadia daya nyina yakoma soro nyame waida wayama ye. Just 2 days. Not a nation builder. Oya kwai Mahama. Osiadai Mahama. Empuntu nyuma rura Mahama. Wabeji ye free abusie for insem. Choboy. Eyezu. Ghana fo nyina so mo pensesa. Nansesa no so beba mpa. Because ene Ghana fo omodo mujam. No mo nim se ne sisi omo se. Omo hwe omo setrem no ma yade an. Ye hwe ya setrem ni ayade an. Because they say dear Ghana enye nenko na ahokyere ba ya che. Choboy. But ahokyere we dear. Ahokyere we dear. Asofo obi nim na kai o se abruzo. Choboy. Ena woto wa yanyadan yanto ufriso yanyadan yantua boys Choboy. Ena adwuma wo ana na fine girls ne so wa ana me pamacho ena emunu yetimito mama bresto dokoro ba ko 1 cedi ena dokoro ba ko 3 cedis. Dokro Bako 5 cities. Dokro Bako 7 cities. Dokro Bako 10 cities. Choboy. Yamaria school to fear Pajuma. Omunya Juma nya. Yebisa Dr. Bawomia. Dear no woman Mabunua. Ose owo Sisifiani bi. Choboy. Sisifiani epe. Yepe Juma na yepe Sisifia. Ghana for come there. Ya kan Bawomia say nyame na shira yai. Bawomia say nyame shira woni Samira. And I say will we vote for these people again? Never. They will never respect the people of this country if we make that mistake. Choboy. Omoba. Omo say yetisika so dey. Omo say yetisika so dey. Almost ya two abama omwa. Omobaya 1 district, 1 village, 1 constituency. Choboy, me pa cha uzaka u factory ana. Nadam neswe 419. Na wenye bibia ma wasi ayabone krono. Enne bo sheli nyina yehu. But I know here ni koye mobile money na ya tenu levy. And that boys go to better. Near to Mobatin levy. John Mahama is coming, and within his first 90 days in office, 11 Obechem. Choboy. Bertie Levino Obechem. Kobe Levino Obechem. Bola Levino Obechem.
Na yesika na omawia ediegu omon pass no. John Mahama all the loot. Choboy. And you know one of the people who will lead Operation Recover all the loot? Give it up to the Basin Taliban. Basin Taliban. The Basin Taliban. Boy. Boy. The Basin Taliban. Yesika. Baako the free omo. Yadebaya hospitals. Yadebesi suku adan. Yadebaya kwan papa. Yadebaya nsuo nwajuma. Yadebaya Women's Development Bank. Yadebaya nsanu juma. Yadebaya 24-hour economy. So don't give up. It's left with 2 days. Change is coming. Victory is coming. John Mahama is coming. Joe boy. On that note, let me take this opportunity to introduce our next speaker. Joe boy, are you ready for power? Are you ready for the Chief Executive Officer of the NDC? Then lift up your hands and shake your hands. Lift it, wave at me. The General of all Generals, the General Secretary, the General Secretary, General Idi Amin is under him. Secretary, General Idi Amin is under him. The General of the NDC, the Chief Executive of the NDC, the General Secretary. Voter raging, make some noise. Ezuzu, John, Bodo, John, Bodo, la wono, ala se wa yona wo, mauana, nyala wono, ala se wa mega. Chobo Nele Yesu Bako Mauana Nyala no. Thank you. My song just says that and the word of God concerning December 7 is that Ghana is due for victory. Ghana is due for change. Ghana is due for the coming back of John Mahama, and no power will stop it. I want to just spend just 2 minutes, especially to talk to the young people of Ghana. December 7 is for you, the young people of our country. You have seen over the last 8 years what has happened to this beautiful country of Kwame Nkrumah and of Jerry John Rawlings. The suffering, the pain, the disappointment, the loss of hope, the total pain that has taken over our country. On 7 December, you need to come out. Enough! Your statement on Saturday must tell the MPP and the rest of the world that enough is enough. Don't take it for granted. The victory has not yet been won. We need to make sure that every single one of you takes it all the way to the very last minute of Saturday, because the people we are fighting are desperate for themselves and will do anything to stay in power. So NDC and the rest of Ghana, the fight on Saturday is not an NDC fight. It's a fight for our country. We need to make sure that Ghana finds hope again on Saturday. The future of our young people depends on the victory of NDC come Saturday. Saturday is a day of destiny. Saturday is a day where Kwame Nkrumah, Jerry Rawlings, Prof Mills, all of our ancestors will be watching to see how ready you are to fight for our country. As President Trump will say, on Saturday, Fight, fight, fight. Fight, fight, fight. Fight for Ghana. Fight for the soul of Ghana. Fight for the victory of this beautiful country. Because if we make the mistake and Baumia wins on Saturday, this country is virtually gone. MPP will say you can do anything and still manage to use money and steal an election. So it is a fight not for NDC, it is a fight for the very soul and survival and the future of our country. Eyezu, power belongs to the people. And on Saturday, you the people must take the power to yourselves. And in John Mahama, you are bringing somebody who has the humility and the simplicity to work for you and make sure we restore this country again. My friend, NDC must understand that this is not business as usual. Ghana is not giving us an opportunity for us to come and do the nonsense that we have seen over the last 8 years. Charity must begin at home, and NDC must be the first to set that example. And John Mahama, I am sure, will lead that crusade. NDC, you must not disappoint Ghana. Ghana, NDC is the hope for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Give it to the Honorable Fifi Kwete, the General Secretary. Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting to the peak of the program. We are getting to the climax of the program. At this juncture, we are going to call on the giant slayer, the executioner, the general of all generals. General Idi Amin is under him. General Petraeus is under him.
Hey!
All the chairmen are under him.
Hey!
He is going to deliver victory for us.
Hey,
The NDC is going to win the next election.
victory!
Under the chairmanship of the general of all generals. By inviting the general, let me invite the campaign manager, Professor Joshua Alabi, to come to the stage with the chairman of the Great NDC, General Asiedu Okatia. Whoa! 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 Give it to Professor Joshua Labi, who is joining the general himself, the chairman general, the man of integrity, the executioner, the powerful man, the strong man, General Asiedu Okatia.
Stronger together.
Hey! 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 For the past 2 months, we've mounted a campaign never seen in the history of this party since 1992. There has been a total mobilization of the party, with each single party member finding work to do to contribute towards the removal of the elephant from office. I've just come to thank all of you, national executive members, current and former, regional executive committee members, constituency executive committee members, branch executive committee members, and all foot soldiers. But I just want to remind you that this far we've done very well, but we need to crown our effort
by continuing the mobilization to urge people to go and cast their votes. And after that vote has been cast, let us mobilize to protect that vote until it results into a declaration. I've gone through all 16 regions of Ghana, visiting over 200 constituencies across the regions. And the message is loud and clear. That message, which I want to deliver to His Excellency, John Mahama, is that the people of Ghana have decided to return you back to the presidency, whether you like it yourself or not. And there is another message. Ghanaians want majority, absolute majority of our candidates elected into Parliament, because there's a lot of work to be done. We need a strong majority to be able to undertake the institutional reforms that are necessary to reset this democracy. And so, ladies and gentlemen, the elephant knows this. Nana Akufo-Addo and his team are riding on the back of a tiger. They fear to get down, otherwise they could be devoured. But tell them that the longer they remain at the back of the tiger, they will still die anyway, because they will die of hunger and thirst. And so, the message is clear. Let them get down and face the consequences of their own actions for the past 8 years. But they are very, very unrepentant. Even with only 48 hours remaining, they still want to conduct themselves with impunity. Everywhere in the past 1 week, wherever NDC has been trying to organize a function, they use state powers to undermine that. But let them understand this message, that whether we hold a rally or we don't hold a rally, the people of Ghana have decided. And the decision is that John Mahama is the next President of the Republic of Ghana. And NDC is at the verge of making history. The National Democratic Congress is going to be the first political party in the history of this country that will generate the first female vice president of the Republic of Ghana. And it's already happening live. But finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want to urge you, all of a sudden, MPP itself have found reason to campaign for President John Mahama and to campaign and urge you to work and campaign against our parliamentary candidates. Tell them that we have seen through all their tricks. President Mahama is going back into office with a solid majority in Parliament. We are not going to fall for the tricks of the skirt and blouse people. We are voting President Mahama
and voting our parliamentary candidates. And standing here and having worked with the 276 parliamentary candidates of this party across the country, I am convinced that we are returning back into office with a very strong majority in Parliament. I want to thank all the parliamentary candidates for the hard work they have put in so far. I want to thank all the party executives from national to foot soldiers. I thank you very much for being part of this total mobilization of NDC. But let us crown it. With a solid vote, and then be prepared to defend the people's verdict. I don't want to go on anymore because you have work to do tomorrow to prepare for the D-Day. So let me reserve the rest of what I have to say so that we will meet again. We will surely meet again with a bigger gathering than this. And that day will be a day of celebration. That day will be a day of the celebration of the second independence of this country. I am not talking about policy again. But as far as I'm concerned, the reset of our state institutions, our institutions of governance, our institutions of accountability, our institutions that manage the natural resources of this country, their resetting is far more important than isolated development projects. And so, for the first year, I urge all of you to let us focus on resetting the institutions of governance and democracy in this country. If we get the institutions right, then any development that we undertake will be lasting. But if we rush and leave the institutions in their rotten state like this, no development will survive. I thank you all, and may God bless you. We will meet again to celebrate our victory. Thank you. Thank you. By part of the institution. So thank you very much, and may God bless our home. I can continue.
Choboy, Choboy, Choboy.
Uyamizu, Uyamizu, Uyamiza. Give them the zoo. Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. Amefa. We are getting there. Ezu. We're going to have our mother very soon. And before there is a young lady who has been inspired. There's a young lady who has been inspired by our mother and has mentored her. She wants to come and give a word and introduce our mother. Shall we have Karen Koyokote? Please give it up for Choboy! 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 Youth! protocols, tonight I stand here to speak on behalf of the youth and the women. Dear young people, as we go to the polls on Saturday, please and please again, do not allow yourselves to be bought with 50 Ghana cedis. Your future is worth more than a cup of rice. Do not allow them to buy you with t-shirts, because what we are going to do on Saturday is the second independence of Ghana. His Excellency John Mahama is promising us the no fee stress. He is bringing the 1 million coders program. The National Apprenticeship Program is coming our way. Imabunu wa hasei. Mislawo, mimini da ebei, emo bianda dawo. Emo wakap wedi sa 50 cities bubenyebi. Let's vote right. Let's use our thumbs right. And to our mothers, His Excellency John Mahama is promising us the National Women's Bank. Yamaminum, Yababusiasa. Debiana Yaboyadamu Kokoko. Yababusiasa. Yenya Janito Maya Mama Mumundi. Miminida Ebei. And 50 Ghana. And Tom Wadachi. And 50 Ghana. And Tom Wamadachi. When you vote His Excellency John Mahama, you vote your parliamentary candidates. And please, as we do this on Saturday, we are making history. We are going to have the first female Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. She is a woman of substance, a woman of integrity. She is incorruptible. She has the people at heart. Ladies and gentlemen, I deem it all honor, and I have the singular privilege to introduce to you the first female Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Her Excellency, Professor Nana Jane Opokwajima, the ever beautiful, the competent, the great woman, the woman of integrity, Her Excellency, Professor Nana Jane Opokwajima. Let's welcome her as she comes. A woman of substance, a woman who will speak for us. Ladies and gentlemen, once today,
the victory of James is coming again. The victory of James is coming again.
Vice President of the Republic of Ghana.
Nana Opoko Ajima.
The ever beautiful Professor Nana Jane Opokwajima.
The victory of Mahama.
I'm some brebre kakra and you ebe wie sese ya eyezu medam ase en some esa meka no munim se en na me boss wa ha enti meja ni nyina ama no no aba be kasa a kire yen me mejina ha aseda nko na me de bremu ye chin Ghana fa na nyina na ne aye me fe ni se obi abọ no ho modin say ye word for ye chairman e de obi abọ modin na de de kese kura ni se obi oho no akwa na NDC nim no onko meeting bi ada na nso te ye kasa no ene akwa join branch ne fe so mom ye monsem emma NDC fo nyina na adwuma so na o maye Esa ne baby son for me. Gabi enye bie. Oh, nya baby. Gabi enye bie. Nya bo modern. One danya si. Ni noni wanta woke ache. Mokwa ya ni mokwa aba. We are all tired. Obia so wabre. Enti JM Victory no ba. Ejina mene wo so memenda. Sama ho. Ejina mene wo so memenda. Na mo ahyem kase se. Me wa rehyem kase se. Ye NDC fo ne yenye hufuo. Yenye hufuo. Ohawa aba oman yi mu no. So we are abofra afa ne yebewo. Wo de atwen ho. So we are abofra ya wo preko vaccine aya asem. Why abofra wo primary school fiancy and winya book da. Enti nim de ebe na abofra no odi ko nanim. Na ne nua pani so so awako do secondary school no. And now go school 3 weeks and now ba fie 3 months. And no ye ko sua wo hemfa. Enti mo hu se we ya abofra wo, we ya bebu no, we ya pani mo, obi anya ne de. Ne ya won pani. Ene se ja onim se ne pension no e wo side e beye. Enti o siesie ni sika kakra. Bibi ya ne fe kro se me hui. Me dwe me ho daachi. Okoye we nyina wie ya obi so bibi aba e friend no haircut. Won mo kra no mo de ya ma ahweho kese. Won ma sum oman yi kwan paso. Ensesi ade obi enya ne de. Ye say ye ton ade ne ento, say ye free ayento. Na ni nyina mu say ye mofra, say ye bebu na otifie. Say ye empanifo a wo mo sanka musika no. Sankrofo nyina no samo behmo de manim betu forma hwe bibia. Eho na abehu se e ma na brekese. Me ni anu ma mo ha. E ma no wo henfa. Youth no wo henfa. E mo friend o mini ha o mada. Asamfo ba ko pani edija mo. Eni da so ho. Na eni da so ne ye be chance memenda. Minim so obi abeba. Esenye nipa ba ko na obre. Said American men kasapi. Men danyeshi. Baraka. Medam wase bebre. Medo obi as woja ne bibia na oba ha. Na bibi wutu kwan bia na obi sa ho sei. Dia odi wanim no otesen. Yera Mahama yenhu no da. Yenhu no da na. Say yenhu no da. Yenim so buade. Yenim so di no kure. Yenim so njen nko aho. Yenim san hyehyaya ode ba no eso obi aso. Eno ne amambu papa. Wo ba ya yehu dia wo ye. Mama yanka ya yasan. Mesre mo. Memene da a eye ochi na chi. Ye momodia. De o se ne buafu mento abane bio. Yese yesrewo obuafu ni ati ase ne mo beto abano. De o se o media mento ma NDC da. Mo kan chance sesamri de. Me a ma mi odende maba. Me se obi a metubi. E ma yen. Na normal Daniel ebeko yen so ama yen nyina. Thank you all very much.
Thank you. Let's give it to our mother. Let's show some love. Ladies and gentlemen, now way. Now dear. Whoa. Show.
Hey! 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 Are you ready? The Onapo man is in the house. The Onapo man is in the house. Are you ready for Kwan Kwan? Are you ready for Kwan Kwan? Let me see your hand. Move it in the air. Let's welcome our brother Nacee.
Hey! Hey! Somebody say Yampra kukwani rangu. Mama. Sawo ya bonsa wa amen tunyum ni bi. Mahama Jam. I see there. 1, 2, go. Oh, the Asempanabo. Asempanabo. 24 hours. The victory of Mama. Mama, you are seeing Antimonka. You see the victory of them. Hey, 1, 2, go! It's coming again, again, again. It's coming again. Rantimpole, ena, ano, ene, kera. For the moon can't be wrong. Messi, Rantimpole, ena, ano, ene, kera. As a prrr, sa prrr. Hey, prrr, sa prrr. Aha, prrr, sa prrr. That's the final whistle. As a prrr, sa prrr. Okay, uncle, come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Hihetiano. One more time. Hihetiano. Messi, Hihetiano. Dude, are you ready? Are you ready? 1, DJ, let's go! Come on! Hey! Hey! Come on! Everybody! John Mahama, Mahama don't. Jumela, Nacee, yeah, this is it. Let's see where get to him. Everybody! Messi Masid and Sado. Say da mi fima kumeu. Hey, where are you man? You better after Saturday. Messi Masid and Sado. I see the So what did you say? Uncle Poddy couldn't naba. Cause I'm a seed and sado.
Ambara. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to rumble?
Victory!
Are you ready for victory?
Victory for our land!
Whoa!
The journey to freedom!
Whoa!
Victory!
Ayazu!
Ayaza!
Ayaza!
Ayazu!
Ayazuzu!
Ayazaza!
At this juncture, we have gotten to the climax of the program. We have gotten to the moment of liberation. We've gotten to the moment of resetting Ghana. We've gotten to the moment of ending the poverty, the suffering, the corruption, and the corruption. Ladies and gentlemen, let me assure you, and please keep quiet and listen. Please keep quiet and swear by the Almighty God, we shall protect the ballot and we shall win this election and win it hands down. Nothing will stop us.
Freedom is coming.
No amount of intimidation.
Freedom is coming.
No amount of intimidation.
Victory.
If they bring it to we shall face them and ensure that John Mahama is the president.
Victory.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, let me welcome the next president, 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 the next president
the nation
of the
builder.
Republic of Ghana,
the nation
the next
builder.
president
the
of the Republic
builder.
of Ghana,
Mahama.
the next president of the Republic of Ghana.
And may the heavens bless you this land. John Mahama is the man for Ghana.
Freedom is coming on God today.
so dire Abrahama baba enti buamio rodie amamatu nyanya wechuma woni ya watin Abraya yamra mira na wazo ni ani daso abira ya baba oh enti wayo no why Wona wa freye atamubio je ofikesie mu adwumai wona wa freye abamubi
Eyezu Eyeza Eyezu Eyeza Ehejo Emefa Hey thank you very much, my brothers and sisters in the Ashanti region. And I want to tell you that the people of Ashanti region extend their greetings to all of you, and they say on Saturday you are going to be surprised at what is going to come from Ashanti region. Ezu, my brothers and sisters, my beloved Ghanaians, the time is now. The time to replace fear with hope is now. The time to replace cynicism and disillusionment with courage and determination is now. The time to replace poverty and insecurity with solid development and safety for all is now. The time to restore the economic fortunes of Ghana is now. Ladies and gentlemen, the time to reset our country, Ghana, is now. Saturday's election is not just another election. It is a defining moment for our nation. It is a choice between the Ghana we have today and the Ghana we want together. A Ghana of opportunity, prosperity, and justice for all. Our young people deserve to live in a Ghana where their voices are heard and their dreams can become reality. The working people of Ghana deserve decent, sustainable jobs that enable them to care for their families and live with pride. And I mean well-paying jobs. People in the public sector deserve recognition for their merit. They also deserve stability, predictability, and good working conditions. Our entrepreneurs deserve a free and fair market where their ingenuity and industry can thrive. Women and girls deserve true equality
safety, and the chance to reach their full potential. And every Ghanaian deserves leadership that puts the people first, that fights corruption, and that builds a nation we can all be proud of. My comrades and friends, this is why I'm committed to building a stable, safe, and viable 24-hour economy that creates opportunities for millions of jobs to be created. I am committed to implementing economic measures to fight inflation and make food more affordable for all Ghanaian households. And this is why I'm committed to running the leanest government in our country's history, with no more than 60 ministers and deputy ministers of state. And also a low number of political appointees, and cutting out wasteful government spending and scrapping the payment of ex gratia. And this is why I'm committed to waging a relentless war on corruption. Operation Return All the Loot. This operation will be implemented with dedicated zeal to retrieve the stolen monies and properties for our country's development and for the benefit of our young people. I'll fight corruption to restore Professor Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman and our plan to set up a women's development bank to support the establishment of more women-owned businesses and our traders from tabletop to large-scale businesses are all practical demonstrations of that commitment we have. My fellow Ghanaians, I cannot do this alone. Your vote is your voice. Your vote is your power. And your vote is the key to unlocking a better future for the people of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to take action on Saturday. This is not a decision we can leave for another time. It is not a decision we can leave for another election or another generation. This is our moment, and the time is now to bring about the change we need in order to reset Ghana. We need to reset our democracy, to reset our governance, to reset our economy, to reset our finances, reset our agriculture, reset our infrastructure, environment, reset our health and education sectors, and everything else that we hold dear as Ghanaians. The vision to build the Ghana we want is a collective responsibility. And so let us vote on Saturday to reject despair and to choose hope. Let us vote to reject impunity and choose respect. My comrades, Ghanaians are going to hold us to a higher standard than they have held the MPP. And I want to remind you once again that there is no use fighting for political power if we would come and commit the same atrocities that they have inflicted on the people of Ghana these last 8 years. My brothers and sisters, Ghanaians are going to put their trust in us on December 7th. But we must prove ourselves worthy of that trust. To work together to be able to put our country back on its feet. December 7th is just 2 days away. And I encourage all of you to vote for John Mahama. And I'll make you all proud of the Ghana that we are going to build together. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to vote wisely. And I want to caution the MPP administration and to caution our security services and the military and the entire body of people who are in charge of supervising this election. I urge you to resist the nefarious actions that some people are planning. To the people of Ghana, the National Democratic Congress will go to the polling stations with you. Together, we will police and courageously protect our votes and resist all attempts to steal them. Minyanum, me pese me damu nyina say, the executives nyina, omo constituencies no, and our regional executives, branch executives, Ghana fo nyina, ye share omo, abra, ye ba campaign, ewo munkro anase mumpeso aso. Awa tu sronko a modeje ya no nyame enhyira mu nyina emrena so se ye fa ahudi a etosu mienu 7 December eba na emrena so se osoma ne dabre eye enwrem a oba krom a wabese ye bibia emrena so se sa osono no ye pam no na osanko bebi ofri baaye osanko enwrem MPP for Ankasa Oma Paba MPP for Ankasa Eye omo ferie ni Nana Akufo-Addo ene Bawumia aban abeye omo ensusu se ni ana omo kani nyina na eye entro ena omudi enti omo Ankasa omo abamebu enti MPP for bebre me na make atremo mimi da ebe 7 December Ghana nyina na ebeto aba na abato a yebeto no enye NDC ni floating voters nkwa MPP for the B ebe voti ano Eza efise nia eya me nafofo a wosa party mu eka kire me kokwam ene se President Mahama Akufo-Addo ni Bawumia omo government agu ye party hu fi agu ye party enimase enti Kenya ho na ko okuden na ma ye party no enko opposition efri say ye pese ye ko opposition na nipa kakra omo agye ye party aboso no ye gye ye party efri omonsem ni esiesie ye party ni biom ansa ni abepre abatu biom ezu eza enfie wotwe Nana Akufo-Addo ene ba mi abeje oman no ensemo mo ka 2016 ene wo kan mo kan ye na o kan se ni o mo kan ye no na o mo buafu na enye me na mkom so o mo kan ni o mo kan no Ghana ye mo bododo Ghana nye hiaman ye ti sika so eswe kom de wa na kan me na na Akufo Jack Toronto na kan Ezu Eza and farmers are suffering, policemen are suffering, doctors are suffering, and everybody is suffering. Mina be kind. Omo de ka myself. You can do all the propaganda with the economy you like. If the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Ezu, Eza, Samreno. Shesenia yebu omaino eko ana enioma eko so na omodwe say da form na maybe me ka say trade fair me ka chiro omo me say hey mo shesenia ye enioma ye ejumai mundi president dawo enti ma mo ndwe say eyade a eye easy a obi abetimi aye na nyame ade Nyame de oyenwa agwagwade efise 2016 obeka se ye call abatu a yedin kugo no na nyame empe yasem enso ene be hwe machire a oditu mi ne hye omunsa ene sebe omoto adadi ni ombe ya na omaye no bibia embeka ho manati Ghana henyina bebia mekobia ahemfu nyina omo se na mo ye kwan bebia mujae no ehwa na aka na mo si school dan bebia mujae no ehwa na aka na mo twekania bebia mujae no ehwa na aka na mo mayesio bebia mujae no ehwa na aka ezu eza na 16 regions nyina amako ahefo asofo imamfo nyina 16 regions nyina obia je tumuse abato ayebetui Ezu Eza asofo eni imamfo nyina bompaye eba NDC sa yendi kunim wabatonum na minim sɛ nyame etie ɔmo mpaebɔ na nkunimdie nso bɛyɛ dia nyame adom nti ezu enso mi nuanom bebi bebre amako obi ase President Mahama yebeto ama o enso na beto no ye nyina ena bebo ho ban enti bebi amako bi amaka kire Ghana fo se woto aba na woto wia se woni bibia ya wo de nante ho se wo bibia wo de ko na ekobo 5 asambra na be hwese ne be kan aba no wo video camera wo camera twa ye nyina ene be bie yeni se ne be ya bato ne be ya frenchim ezu mo ye yi mo se mo kotna abato na no zamu jefa kuria mutuna wahala ndamuyi mutamu mubai ene suzo su kwashe kayan su ece sai umar musulmi da zongoni muna samu cin gaba don shi muduka kudin haji muduka mu samu muje maka muje yau idan za ka haji kudin da ana karban ya zama 4,500 mu yi shi $3,500 yanda da ike lokacin NDC miliyanum $1,500 a peja enti yadda nyame ya adum minim so be ya adum so NDC ba sa sika na omoje for maka no yebete abafom yebe yi $1,000 free so na asamba $3,500 send na netie abra NDC wo ho ezu eza danwa yena iya yena maza da mata zamu kara muku holiday guda akan Idul Fitr holiday na saboda waransu na kwance su yi sallah yau sai waransu su yi sallah gobe amma holiday na guda kede ne don shi za mu kara guda saboda an yi sallah yau a samu ranar futawa an yi sallah gobe a samu ranar futawa asomwa alakawo nona kefe anyafe ni agbeneke okwega na mefe wompi homonyewo NDC ni NDC yo ake homonyewo nomi aho ke ohe komikomi 1 cedi chi agbene 5 cedis ni namo wofe wole ake homo ni ake eyewo mene ni homo yewo wa adienche ewo wo ba fo wo shiki koni NDC abasama ni wo telega na kegme back on his feet Minianum, Menu and Abbey. Abatua Yabetui, a proye, Ajigana Hangina, Abraham Yamampeni, National Service, Yabeto say, na Omudi Dini Biaka home, and Omu Yesikano. Yamabiana, Eko Yeshim, your PAM National Service Officers, 110, Yomo, Ewe Jumam. Ebimu Yadiomu Kojina Court. I just said na asem no court. And na me kotia. Yes, senior, ye kon etia no. Akufa do ne baumia asa diaba. National Service for Munchi Omuka. Mudi Omuka be 6 months allowances. Na kɔhyehyɛ mo mpaase na mo kwa ne mo ebusia ɛna enya ho faso hwɛ airport a mesi yɛ airport ni nyinaa yɛsi yɛ $250 million terminal 3 na mo de e-gate pɛ ebesi hɔ a e-gate no boɔ ɛkyɛn terminal 3 ni nyinaa ezu na monim adekrontia akufo ado ata aso sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ baumia ɛbɛgye akonya no ebe sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛkata ne to sɛ na bɛyɛ ɔmbɛnya asomdwe na ɔmakɔdi ɔmsika ɛso ɛmba so da na yɛba nso a sika ɔmo awie nyinaa japade a Ghana for japade a ɔmo afom yɛbɛdi ɔmo akyi ne agye adeɛ asa adeɛ bɛma Ghana for ezu eza Ora Baumia say we are moving from taxation to production. Meanwhile, Okasa not the 20 B air kaho, not the 20 B air kaho. And Ghana, and I yet 12 doors to change Africa main na. Ezu emaburu metie mo sufre mo betting tax no so ye be ye free ho ezu COVID levy ye be ye free ho eza emena so na yenim say ye nuanom de emrebia abato ebeba on peso mu wiem enti ya nya ntie na me pese isi ebusa omo ho it is our station of Sawo Chekano Nenjina wa ewo ho Golokwati yes ewo Golokwati eno machi sakano ezu enti na twatwo mesre ya bambo for ya police for any electoral commission for mu Ghana mobo na ejuma omoyi mu se mo nkoye no yesre mo munye mo ejuma no frenchem se na be ya ni Ghana for pe no eno ene be ya ho enti mesre mo omo be hwa abato no so omo hwe no munye wo ejuma yie meme da ye ko obi a hwehwe chinie no ya wo so enti ne obe hwehwe ani chinie no na wo chinie na de ukokromoti na wo de abo enke ukokromoti tim ballot paper no so wia na wo de entumago eda ho no ana tissue no na wo de apopa ukokromoti ni yie Senebeya ink no bewo and san wasa Socrata and yes sir say ink now kosom na team baby fofra and the wabana say and the papa kromotini ye and san waso krata no abobo na odi akotum enti 7 December enye yin na abeto aba MPP for ni bi na omo pese omo dada Ghana for say ebi beto saadai saadai na sanko for ni ye no. It's a crime, it's a criminal offense. Na minim say omo party was so nti omo nya omo hwe but criminal offense any expiry date. NDC ba nana bi ne sa nkrofo no mo yes ano ye be che o matum in Ghana's law it is a crime to mislead voters. It is there in the law. Into bia o yes bia any obia obey say bia NDC ba ye be che o maso ezu eza enti minanum say madam wase mumu bia amobaye nyabi nshiramo mo ko fie so a nyame enfamo ko asumdwe mo na asempa mo ate wo ha no mo fa ko bebia Ghana ha bebia na ka che obia se obia enhye ne sapo musuo ebe se emre na ba emre na so memenda ebe nyame adom Ghana ebe to aba na nyame be kasa nyame ebe kasa nyame na metwa to okra medana na jena se medad ya mosquito ase general secretary omunyina